This is a brief overview of assignment 2.2, writing notes. Essentially, the writing notes is a brainstorming exercise. In week 1 in your journal, you looked at 2 options for the topic for your persuasive essay. Now you will take that to the next step and begin to look at some options and how you will approach it. Remember that the criteria for your topic is threefold. The topic must be debatable, it must be relevant to your career, and it should be research-based. In the writing notes, there are actually 7 requirements, and you can see these in the rubric, and they include argument. And again, the argument should be something that is research-based, not should I be a manager or is nursing the right career for me, but what is the best management strategy? Enlightened management is the best strategy as opposed to something else. So argument, key points, audience, goals, resources, resource alignment, and evidence placement. Argument, in this beginning of your notes, you should describe the argument. Tell us how it relates to your career. Give us a little overview of the topic. Your key points are supporting claims. They should answer the question why. Why is your position on a topic the more enlightened, the better, the stronger view than the opposing view? If your topic is on transgendered people serving in the service, then why do you believe that your position, that they should be allowed to serve, or they shouldn't? What are the 3 reasons that you believe that your position is strongest? When you look at audience, we're looking at who it is that you're directing the essay towards. Not me or your peers. It should be the group of people you want to convince. If your argument is about health care and health costs, then perhaps you'd want to convince the lawmakers. Perhaps you'd want to convince those who can make a difference. The goal, of course, is what you hope to accomplish with the essay. And again, what change might your essay affect? How can your argument change the topic? When you list your resources, and there should be 3 resources, you need to be specific, not simply journals or articles. You should share with us the author, the title, the date, the database, or you can cite the source, specifically an APA or MLA. Supporting resources talks about the alignment. You should show a definite relationship between each key point. This is my first reason, and it aligns with this. For example, my key point is that police harassment and discrimination needs action to stop. And the source, body cameras will not stop police brutality, specifically deals with not one thing. If your key point is you need to do something immediate and there's not one way to do it, then this source might support that. The evidence, we are asking, where will you place the research? Where in the essay does sources need to be placed to help support your claims? For example, many examples of police brutality are caught on video and still the law officer goes unpunished. This is a claim that will need examples on how often police brutality is recorded. So we're connecting key point to a claim. You might say that you will put your evidence after each key point. Finally, you are also assessed on the articulation, that there's no major errors, particularly in grammar, spelling, syntax, and organization. This is a time to explore, and don't be timid. And remember, we learn by our mistakes. If something is really out of whack, we can talk about it. It's possible to revise your assignment, but do look carefully at the prompts, at the rubric. Try to answer each of the areas as fully as possible. And if you need help, contact me. Thank you.